Instagram chats not showing. Hello guys, in today's short tutorial I'm gonna show you how to fix Instagram chat not showing easily and fast. So first thing you wanna do is just open the settings on your phone, and then you have to go into the apps manager, and after you go to the apps, now on this page you will find all the apps that you have on your phone. And after that, you have to just scroll all the way until you find Instagram and click on it. Now you have to click on this option to stop running the app in the background of your phone. And after that, click on the storage, click on clear cache and clear data. Go back, click on the power usage details, and make sure that the power consumption alert is enabled. Now restart your phone, and that's it. Don't forget to like, subscribe.